Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of The Last Starship. It's that one. So, what are we doing today? Oh, yeah, I want to fix my this bit because I feel like it's struggling. Am I at shipyard? I am. How much money have I got? I do have money. Okay, so let's see what we can actually do. Let's go dismantle. You and you. You. Storage, let's remove those for the time being. For the engines, let's dismantle you and you. Wait, I don't have to do that, do I? No, that would be stupid. Still don't understand why it's not filling. Right. The scaffolding can go away, can't it? It's an erase. Then we got hole. Goes to there and there. Floor is there, so that makes that bigger. Then this is subject to change. So what I want to do is put install that is going into the middle, but I can't do it there. Okay, so then if I go back here and go floor, I can do that, can't I? No, I can't. So I have to confirm it. Yes, okay. Then I can put that going there with the engine not big enough. Okay, so it's let me on that one, but it's not letting me there. We could do be back there up there. Do that. Let's have a look at the construction. Okay, so yeah, so I need another one. Okay, so let's do a hole going there. Oh no, no. Oh, yeah. Actually, if I do that, then that's where that goes. Alright, so then... Because... Because I haven't done the floor, have I? No, I have not. Right, so that takes that up, but then... Okay, let's confirm that a second. See, now I need to dismantle you again. Store the engine up on that one. But then that... And then... But if I put the engine on this one... That's giving me a gap here. That's like 1 over. Bit annoying. Oh well. But then if I put all going along there, I can't do so because it blocks in that piece there. Freehand. See, it blocks it. But then if I definitely doesn't like that, does it? Looking for. Alright, so, but then what I would need is, because this is the, yeah, I still don't like that though. Why can't that be in the center? So then that puts that. If I put a space up on that one, so then that would be one there. Then that wouldn't be centered, would it? Then if I put that there, it's 2 down at the bottom, not at the top. Yeah, so there's no way of actually getting it centered line. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah. That's to put armor on the back burner. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So then, this is fuel, which is fine to still operate in there. But then I think I will need to actually make. Right. So make this a storage room of bullets. Bullets. Give me a wall here. Cable. Pipes. Go that way. Where can I go? So that's the... Oh, that's cables, isn't it? Yep. Right, take that away. That tidies all of that up. Pipes. Right, so yellow. Go in there. Cables. Can easily go that way. Done. But what's wrong with the engine? Because this equipment cannot function properly. It must be installed when installed in this position. Now, is that because of this bit here? No. Okay. Let me just buy a door a second. Okay, so they still don't like it. Okay, so dismantle you and you a second. Because it might be I need to move it over one. Right, so... Oh, there's a wall. Oh, because I put a wall in its place. Okay. Ah, that's not what I was looking for. Let's put you back where you were. Confirm. And then install the engines. See, I'm thinking about them. If I push them back that far, I'll be happier. But, yeah, that would fine. This one, hull, so you would go down this way, and then do something like that. So I've got a little bit extra protection round here. Pipe wise, cable wise, pipe. That's you. Electrical okay? Yep, that survived. And so my engines are back online. Nice, okay. So this is all about water. This one's about power, refinery, science, air. Currently, that's how we've got it. And then this is also for like engineer, warp drive, that type of thing. This bit here could literally go off in here, to tell the truth. But it can stay there for the time being. We got the mining going on there. We've got a bit of green, but I can't. Drone assembly, drone speed, deflector beams, smelter efficiency, logistics storage crate, blueprint, medium tank blueprint. That's the Andromeda project. Yeah, let's do that. That's fine. I don't not doing any missions, am I? Not yet. Okay. I don't think. No. Okay. That's fine. So then let's go. But then to get this going, the star. No, wait. I think I need to go. Let's go to here just to see what it is talking about. Or even to open up the next mission. Got a little bit. Right, so then I can install my first protection on this side, but then I want to get. See, I got soda. Oh, and I haven't done the solar panels. If I go tactical. I want to see. Oh, that is actually pretty good. Okay. If I did want, yeah, let's. Should I tuck it? No, because I can't tuck it. Yeah, I have to go there. So let's try and buy another one. Defense. And you confirm. But then, No, I'll let it be for a second. Cables. Alright, so then when I go here, and I looked at point defense when they are loaded. Oh, there you go. So, I wish I could show more. Can I show more? Is everybody turning it all on? Well, you can see it, yeah. Okay, if I zoom, actually, if I zoom out, so I've got, that's the back, the side. There's a little bit of a gap, but not crazy. But you can see, like, back up here, if they're firing, then that should keep me, my backside bit of things. I can shoot from the front right now, because that's all I've got, is pew-pew. And then I'll put other pew-pews going down this way. That's my plan. We are going to here, wasn't it? Prepare for jump. And jump. Okay, Alexander James S. Star, LS Star. My name is Alexander. I am the chairman and founder of AJE Industry. I have a business proposition for you if you would be interested in setting up a production facility for me. I believe with some luck and a good deal of hard work, we can both make substantial returns. Substantial returns. Please give me a call to discuss the details. Okay, call X. Call X. Sorry. Captains, perhaps you are already aware, but there are big plans underway within this sector. There are designs to build something incredible, a transportation system with near infinite range requiring state-of-the-art manufacturing and industry. A Stargate, big enough for our most massive fleets, scuttling humanity between galaxies as if they were nothing but neighboring stars. A new multi-galactic era for humanity. In all my years, I've never known so much capital to be allocated to one project. There is a golden opportunity here for us, but the barriers to enter are high. I have the assets, the capital, and the facilities, but we need to fulfill the Andromeda project massive ambitions. Hopefully I'm reading this right. Sadly, my days of running the shop floor in person are beyond me. I need a floor manager, somebody who will oversee the day-to-day operations for me. and my years of experience have taught me to spot talent when I see it. Here is my proposal. I'll give the factory station. No, I'll provide the factory station and the seed capital, so you are fully funded. You'll set up the production facility for me and oversee day-to-day operation manufacturing parts for the Andromeda project to their specifications. We'll split the profits 50-50, and believe me when I say there'll be plenty to go around. All right. I accept your proposal, sir. Wonderful news. I am very happy you agreed to partner with me on this. My factory space station is in position nearby, ready for us to use as our base of operation. Dun dun dun. This is the AJE Foundry, a wonderful industrial facility. A wonderful industrial facility. Perfect for our needs. I'll just need to provide you with some access codes so you can assume control of the facility. Look at that. For years I manufactured engines and FTL drives right here. For every fleet that passed through this sector, it's really fallen to disrepair. Your first job is to send over a skeleton crew and establish basic power operation and life support. I had the previous crew box up some of the usable equipment. You should find the parts you need are already in storage. Add crew to station. Install reactor. Install air duct. Pressurize the facility. Very well. And then my drones are automatically repairing the facility as well. Okay. So, do I add crew to station? Do I have to just buy the crew? Start with 5. And then give me a logistics and well, let's try space pod. Let's try that. Confirm you. Now, is that going to go to my... Ooh. I don't know where that's going to dock, though. Oh, good. I was going to say. Install the reactor. Reactor. So I need... There's these batteries. There used to be batteries. So there's batteries there. The battery there. Looks like air is over there. God knows what's going on there. Okay, let's just plonk him here for the time being. So we want fuel. Done. And then install reactor, install air duct. We can do... You go there, up, in, and you go there. You can be... oh no, wait, I need a tank eventually. It's not the best place for this, but this will do for now. Then storage spacesuits can go along that, but I don't know if that's... yeah, that gives... then there's a walkway going through, so I can have spacesuits down here as well. I'm not paused, am I? I am not. Okay. So, in... please say you've got bloody spacesuits. Alright, and so that's the oxygen air duct, and then I'm just waiting for the people to actually do that. Okay. Low on food, low on water, so let's get storage, any storage going along there for the time being. Then any equipment can go in there for now. So click on contract. No. Click on logistics. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. So if I say I can't do anything. I was going to say. Nope. Let's... items. Do food. Five, confirm. Fuel. But this is where I would like to be able to actually I don't think I can. Right, yeah, let's... oh, water. Just... no, I can't do that. Why can't I do that? And then oxygen 5. Then oh, that's that. I think I forgot. That's all that. That's 5. Water, oxygen, fuel. I can't do that, so I have to go all items, then type fuel. Like that. Do that. Close you down. But if I can figure out how to maintain... well, how to actually use... alright, so that's... okay. Gotcha. Oh, okay. So if I went water, for example, if I did 5 over there, food over there. What was the other one? Fuel. 5 over there. Oxygen. 5 over there. So if I do that, then, but then I go over here, this one, and so then I don't know how to tell this to extract 5 only. Then the same would be the oxygen and the water. I would need so there's the oxygen, so I need the pipes. So that's it. So if I do that and go unload there, so then I need another I need a buy one, which is going to be logistics and unloader. Unloader. Let's see. Unload. All items. Oh. Loader. Oxygen. Water I want. So then that would be the... Yeah. Let's just do that. Confirm. So we can put that in there and take out some water. Drones would need to be over there. Then if I stick that there... Oh, no, I did that wrong. Try that again. So stick that there. Now to install it. Then I can... Then it can unload. Wait. Wait, that's option. No, 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 stop. Oh! I'm a fucking idiot, aren't I? That's the oxygen. Duh. Dismantle. Where's the fucking water tank then? Oh, down here, isn't it? No. No. That's water. Yeah, that one's water. But I don't have any. Okay. That's not going to work then, is it? But because I don't have any... That's fine. But now I can load the water. That goes into the tank. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so did I manage to... I do. Okay, so then I switch back over to the main station. Great. Cable, you are in. Pipes, cables are not in. My bad. So we would need to go... Just run down that way. Run that way. And then pipe. So why are you not loading? Come on, guys. Got fuel. Then I need... Somebody gonna load this or not? Why are you not loading this? Why are they not loading? What the hell am I doing wrong? Unload? Load. No oxygen. Yeah, I know there's no bloody oxygen. Power cut, fuel supply interrupted. That's with these guys. Because I'm... Stop. Make fuel. Can't make fuel because you don't have flipping fuel. Right, load fuel. That one's stop. That one's making fuel. Right, okay. So then what's wrong? What's wrong with this one? Why are you not putting fuel in here? Unload? No, that's... What? I... Anybody? So I got the people, but the people are not. Why are the? It, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But the reactor, I've got a fuel, I've got a tank, but they're not picking up the fuel. What? What am I doing wrong? Anybody? More water. Not really going to help me. That's not really going to help me, but hey ho. Oh wait, do I need to do something? No. Okay, this is fucking stupid. What? I don't know. It's sort of like it's not telling me. I don't even know where my question marks are. They've got fuel right there. Why are they not fucking loading it? It. What? Wait, I've got crew. That's what I got. Correct? Why does that work? And that does not work. Anybody? Because I fucking well can't work it out. The oxygen is not going into the tank. None of the loaders want to work. Oh, for fuck's sake. Loaders not working. Can I research pipes or bridges? Future tank shutdown demo. Really confusing game. My guys would not build cables so many that the issue not sure. Yes, fuel loaders should be connected to reactor yellow dot to yellow dot with pipe. This allows fuel. Yeah, but it's not working. Oxygen pipes, poo pipes, icky water pipes and clean water pipes do not run into each other. If you fail at this puzzle, all your pipes can contain one random liquid and things will stop working. Okay. But why are you not accepting this fuel if there's fuel there? This is what I... Okay, what happens if I buy a fucking other loader? I mean, that's a fuel loader. I'm just going to buy a standard loader. I don't care what it is, because it's bloody stupid. Come on. I don't know why. I mean, I can't really do anything if I don't have a fucking... What happens if I buy another reactor? Can't afford. Ah! So, the only thing I can think of doing is maybe try to... Like, solar panel. I don't think it's fuel issue. But if I can put a little bit of power in, then they might, I don't know, have something to kickstart it. See? Don't ask. I ain't gonna ask. What's wrong with this fuel? I feel like it's the same thing that is happening over here with the oxygen. Gonna work? Right, so that one's working over there, but this one over here is not. Come on. Somebody, please. Yeah, but you're not loading another one, are you? No. This is pissing me off. Like they don't know what these tanks are. Yeah, I don't. It's I don't know. This don't seem right. I'm fighting with the system. And these people are going to die if they don't use the fucking oxygen which is inside the system. There's a tank. Fucking use it. Even that doesn't seem to be flipping kicking out that much. Because that is saying reactor, that's not saying solar panel. So is that 134? Okay, so let's load that again. Alright. Yeah, yada yada yada. We got all that. Depth. Depth. The first job is send over. So what happens if I add crew to station? The only bait. Ooh, shit. Stay still. So, yeah, just completely. Never mind. Okay, so I click on that. You. crew. And I picked five crew, 5 spacesuits. We confirm. Install reactor. Install fuel loader. Install air duct. Option loader. Cable. Okay. By we need to tidy up the mess, but nothing needs to be wasted. We can recycle all of the raw materials found at the station. There is an industrial smelter among the boxed equipment. Install it and power it up. Then set it to recycle all of the scrap metal. This will give us the early supplies of metal ingots. Right, so there you go. Efficiency is going to be key to this facility, turning a profit. Set up a storage zone for scrap near the smelter and other metal ingots. Okay. So then if I put install spacesuit, let's put it right beside it for now. That goes there. Install smelter. Put that over there. Cable goes down there. Scrap metal. Storage. And we want scrap metal. Next to it. Scrap metal, store scrap metal, that's 9 of 10. 10 of 10. And then store 10 ingots. Storage. Anything can go there, and then down here can be, oh no, any equipment can go down there. I'll do that for now. Spacesuits can go along the back wall. Right, and then you dismantle, and then I guess I just do that, don't I? Does dismantle remove it from the ship? Didn't I just do that? This equipment is in ruins. You will receive scrap. Any equipment can be dismantled by left clicking. We can stop dismantling by clicking on dismantle again by close the construction. Alright. If I can draw your attention to this schematic issued by the Andromeda project, you can see it actually quite a simple pod. This is just a structural framework into which they can build anything else. So you go from scrap to there to ingot to table to frame to desk to gun. Nice and simple. We can manufacture yada yada yada. Once we've done that, yada 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 yada. Okay. Okay. Right, so it wants me to go install fabricator up here. Then turn it into assemble table. There. Pipe the cable going from there to there to there. That didn't work. Oh, that's pipe, that's why. Ah. Cable goes along there into there. You are right click. No, right click. Yep. Make frame, and then right kind of there we go, and then make Stargate frame. There, and then change this storage. No, that didn't work. So then that one is frame, isn't it? That's supposed to be a frame, and then Stargate frame can go in that one. How many do you need? 10? There we go. Right, resume. We can stop dismantling clicking on the button once you close the construction. Close the menu by clicking the construction window or escape. Done. Oh no. Or am I right clicking on here? Okay. The smelter now starts producing the metal ingots after it has finished heating up. And that's it. Okay. I guess. And then I'm doing that, and I'm doing that. Yay! Okay. Oh, oxygen is a 0. I got no oxygen. Why don't I have any oxygen? So let's do storage over here for fuel going there, oxygen going there, and whatever water supply we have we can go there. Then in kind of taking up all my space, but okay. Storage, that should just be cargo. Ah, because the scrap took up too much of the scrap. Okay, that's fine. Let it be. Well, we'll have to put a cut in here. So that it looked like there was some sort of script error, which caused that problem. Atmosphere is dropping, but then I should have auto cell, shouldn't I? Ah, no, because I don't have oxygen. Okay, so let's go habitat, oxygen, oxygen. Make sure that we got above 5, please. Confirm. There we go. Alright, so then that should be the trade coming in, so I shouldn't have any more problems with oxygen. At least the basics are in. Again, the suits are not being charged. I don't know why not. Let's dismantle you anyway. And then we can install the pod charger over there. Alright, so that's that done, that's that done. Oxygen is being fulfilled. Is oxygen going up again? It is. Fuel, doing good. We'll just complete this mission and then we shall call it. Maybe you have to do it in sequence. I don't go crazy. Do the last one, again done. You can automate this, so you can pick it, you know, have a bar to pick it up from there, drop it into there automatically, or from storage. So this one would drop into there, and then another one would go into the fabricator, into that, and so you automate this using the arms and all that sort of stuff. So to deliver the frames, do I need to actually do it, or is it just going to fly in and pick up? What's that sitting there? Food. Because this took up, so then as soon as that's done, that's where the food is going to go. I guess. Oh no, there's a bit more scrap on the floor. But I've used everything, haven't I? Can't install anymore. Correct. There we go. So this should pay me, I hope. And this is a message from AJE Foundry. We received your sample and can report that they have passed comfortably within our engineering tolerance. You are formally approved a licensed industry partner and may now manufacture all items in design manifest. Batches of completed parts may now be submitted to the Andromeda project. Through the open market, you will find buyers ready to release funds for any parts manufactured to specification. Thank you for your endeavor and good luck. Excellent. Let's have a look at the manifest that he mentioned and see what is required next. It looks like it's just a bulk order of parts we've already provided. We need to make 200 more gates. So I bet you it's this one? This one. There you go. 200 more star things. We're already matched, but we need to scale up production or else this will take forever. Very well. Right, funding received. 600k. I'm releasing some of the money to you. 600k should be enough for you to buy all the equipment. We need to scale up. Remember, this isn't a gift. I still own the station and all of this equipment on board. I suggest you buy more smelters, more fabricators, and more assembly desks. A couple of each at least. All the equipment will draw more juice, so you'll need to expand the power network with more reactors and batteries to cope, and you need more crew to do the work. If you run out of metal ingots, you should be able to buy raw materials from the open market. You can usually buy more scrap, but you'll also find metallic materials for sale which can be smelted into metal ingots. Start smelting metal ingots. Right, so now what I want to do is I want to grab you. Right. Oh, let me put cut in here and I'll be back. Thank you.